Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, June 2nd. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and QQQs. A couple of simple things to keep in mind. SPY and ES failed at the top of a 4-week balance high. So now, the ultimate destination would be the bottom of that balance. For me, that's the 404, 405 level, but we have to take things in baby steps. So we came into balance yesterday. Don't forget, we had an outside day down, which is pretty negative. Right now, we're still inside of yesterday's range. But the goal for the sellers is two goals. Number one, you get below last week's low, Thursday's low of 419.12. If you get acceptance below there, then your next destination will be the bottom of the other 3-day balance, which is 417 and change. And that's the weekly low, 417, exactly 417.08. So those are two goals by the sellers. For the buyers, their goal is, number one, to keep acceptance into the lower distribution from yesterday, try to fill those single prints and get into the upper distribution. Regardless of what happens, that all-time high is far from being secure. Yesterday's high was 2 cents away from a weekly high. That other weekly high is 12 cents or so away from the all-time high, and the all-time high is also in the overnight. Now, it doesn't mean we have to get it anytime soon, but at some point we will get it. As far as the Russell, look where they're trading, 228.09, 228.10 is that very key level they need acceptance above. And don't forget, QQQs also had an outside day down yesterday, but they're also in the middle of their lower distribution. So, destinations for this morning. Right now, early on, our overnight high is 419.92. Then we have the 10 wide at 420.05. 420.38 afternoon rally high K. Single prints 420.71 get filled at 98. And then yesterday's high of 422.72. For the downside, first destination is yesterday's low of 419.20. Then 419.12 daily low. Remember, there's been a lot of absorption in this area. If this area fails from last Thursday and yesterday, you should get a destination to the low 417s. Then we have 418.82 overnight low, 418.79 10 wide, and you should have the rest of those destinations down to that weekly low. So game plan for this morning. Well, if we open right in here in balance in value where we are right now, not a lot to play on. If we are to rally up against the afternoon rally high and or the single prints, I would absolutely be looking to take a put play until they prove they can get any acceptance into the upper distribution. So that would be a short play up at that level. Now, if you take a long against yesterday's low, that's fine, but I would certainly be out below Thursday's low because any acceptance below there, and then we should start getting a migration down to that POC there, those two daily lows, and then the weekly low. Again, early game plans here in CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room. And then on the chart, I'm just going to show you the weekly. Here it is, including yesterday. It's a 5-week balance. We failed yesterday at the top of it for now, which means the ultimate destination, first stop would be last week's low. They want to take that out. If they don't, or if they hold that, well, then that's fine. But if you get any acceptance below 417.08, ultimate destination will be the 404, 405 level. And then on the daily, we stopped one time framing up. We had an outside day down, which is pretty bearish. Now, bears have done a horrible job of trying to take advantage of anything that's been given to them for the past 12 years. So we're going to see if they can get any kind of continuation from what they accomplished yesterday by having the outside day down. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.